Boy, Jamaica, when you want to talk about good leader, you have to talk about Mark. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP. Tell them PNP time again. Tell your neighbor, go and tell your friend. Jamaica go nice again. Independence once more again. PNP time again. Tell your neighbor, go and tell your friend. Jamaica go nice again. Independence once more again. Man with integrity, man with deal with justice. Mark Wallen with dead for you. Hey Jamaican, him dead for you. We want proper education. Bro God, what you do it to the nation? You a worship Satan. Move from the set with the housing plan. Less house for the working man. You a build house and sell for 30 million. No, nobody can afford one. Every year from energy you take 11 billion. Bro God, you know so that is wrong. That's wrong, bro. Bro God, you know so that is wrong. Yeah. Bro God, you know so that is wrong. To misleading the nation. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP. Alright then, teachers I go smile again. Policeman I go smile again. Soldier man I go smile again. Fireman I go smile again. Nurses I go smile again. Doctors I go smile again. Garbage trucks start run again. Fi clean up the labor right them. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud Markie G. I me say Fawud Markie G, Fawud with the PNP.